Hey Math 6 and happy Friday! Last full week of school is almost to an end, and as always, I continue to be so incredibly proud of each and every one of you. I'm so bummed we're not celebrating this Friday together in person, but know that I'm thinking about all of you and so proud of all of your success and your hard work and your determination not only through distance learning, but through the entire year. So make sure that you wrap up this Friday on a high note. Today you're just doing a little practice and general review of surface area and volume. You'll see that linked in the DLP and in our Google Classroom. If you're still feeling a little uneasy about surface area or volume, you can always re-watch the YouTube videos from Wednesday. You could also check out the notes from yesterday. Feel free to lean on each other, call, text, FaceTime, email, do what you need to do. And always know that I am an email away. I'm happy to hop onto a Google Meet with you today to review anything that we've been talking about this week or just to say hi. So have a wonderful Friday. I miss you all, and I hope that you have a great weekend ahead. I'll see you next week. Bye.